The new BYD Shark is the first pickup truck from BYD and is built on its all-new DMO Off-Road ladder frame platform. The first brand new product from the company to be launched outside China, the Shark will be sold in markets such as Mexico and Australia and is slated to rival the likes of the Ford Ranger and the Toyota Hilux. BYD Shark measures 5,457mm in length, 1,971mm in width, 1,925mm in height and has a 3,260mm long wheelbase. On the outside, the Shark carries the usual pickup styling tropes, all boxy and upright with chunky fender flares and features such as the very Ford F-150 lightning-like vertical headlights, full-width front and rear lighting signatures and ginormous BYD badge on the grille. Roof rails, a wraparound windscreen design and a rather crude-looking sports bar are also present, as are 18-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels. Inside, BYD used multiple colors to highlight some of the cabin's design features. The rectangular air vents and some toggle switches in the center console are painted in orange with contrasting stitching on the seats, dashboard and door panels. A chunky shifter stands out in the center console, and there's a tray on the front passenger's dashboard that can be used to place smaller items like a wallet or keys. A rotative 12.8-inch screen is the star of the show, and it's similar to what we have seen in the BYD Yuan Plus and Seal. The screen can be used in portrait or landscape mode and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A separate 10.25-inch screen for the driver displays vital information about the truck, and a 12-inch head-up display can show the speed and directions to the driver. Powering the BYD Shark is a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with a plug-in hybrid system called Dual Off-Road mode, putting out a combined 435 horsepower. The PHEV powertrain is set to optimize off-road performance. BYD claims that the Shark pickup truck can dash from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds. It can travel 100 km on electricity alone, while 30 to 80% charge would take about 20 minutes. The body-on-frame truck offers a payload capacity of 835 kg and a 2500 kg towing capacity. It gets an independent front and rear suspension. The truck debuts BYD's dual-mode off-road chassis, which enables an intelligent all-wheel drive system with a virtual differential that prevents wheel slip. 3 off-road modes are available: sand, snow and mud.